Hello, everybody. Welcome back. Today is Wednesday, May 26th, 2021. We have a couple days of very severe weather coming our way here in the United States. Let us begin, of course, first with today. Today, we're going to begin in the plains before moving on to the northeastern United States, including Ohio, also at risk for severe weather today. A moderate risk is in effect for Kansas and Nebraska, as well as parts of Colorado. That gives us a 15% chance plus significant EF2 or greater tornadoes, 45% chance plus significant, I believe 80 miles an hour or greater wind, and 45% chance plus significant 2 inches or greater hail. All possible today in Kansas and Nebraska, as well as parts of Colorado. So what we're watching first, we'll start in the northern part of the Central Plains, that Kansas-Nebraska area, even up into parts of Wyoming and perhaps even Montana. We're watching the potential for significant tornadoes, very large hail, in many cases greater than 2 inches, like I mentioned, and lots of severe wind, especially along the Kansas-Nebraska border. Now, if we take the from that area, we head down south to basically El Paso area, and then through the Oklahoma and Texas panhandles. That line there is what we call the dry line. We could be seeing some large hail, perhaps greater than 2 inches, especially to the north, as outlined in that black area on the map in the center of the screen, the one on the farthest to the right. Lots of severe wind also possible, and a tornado or two possible as well. Again, mainly to the northern areas of that panhandle to border line that we're creating there. Severe threat also exists in the northeast today. I did not create these shapes, although, some algorithm might demonetize me, but good thing my videos aren't monetized. Anyways, 2% chance of tornadoes today, 15% chance of wind, 5% chance of hail in the northeast, all of Pennsylvania, all of New York, basically all of the states in the northeast at risk today. Most of West Virginia, Kentucky, Ohio also at risk for severe weather today. We could see a tornado or two as a result. Franklin County in Columbus, Ohio area will not be testing their tornado sirens at noon today like they normally do. There's going to be a few large hail events that we're going to have to keep an eye out for, beginning as early as Central Ohio. Now, we normally don't get hail here in Central Ohio, so take that with a grain of salt, but know that the risk is higher than normal today for hail, and it will likely not be that 2-inch plus hail we're talking about in the plains region today. Also, there will be severe wind, as we can see outlined in the yellow in the center map of the screen. Widespread severe wind possible today in the northeast. Tomorrow, the threat then shifts back to a line. Basically, the remnants of the storms today will move into Missouri, and then it'll extend along a line back again towards the El Paso area of Texas. We're also watching a 10% chance of tornadoes, 30% chance plus significant chance of wind, and 30% chance plus significant chance of hail. We are definitely going to want to keep an eye on that hail risk. I think that's the big concern. We do see they outline the significant, that is that black region, chance of hail towards the earlier part of the hail risk. And that's because the hail risk is going to come early and quick and potentially all at once on a line all the way from Missouri down into Texas. And it could be very, very big. So giant hail is possible in many areas to begin the day. We could be watching the potential for several tornadoes. Maybe not too many, but definitely they're possible, especially on that Oklahoma-Kansas border. And then we're going to see the situation evolve to more like bow echo storms, so long lines of severe weather, which will make severe wind a greater threat later in the day. Once again, we're going to have that line into Texas, resulting in part in an increased chance of severe weather away from the main event, where we will have large hail, lots of severe wind, and perhaps a tornado or two. In any case, we are definitely watching severe weather both today and tomorrow. Mainly today, our concern is Kansas and Nebraska. For us here in Ohio, today is your day of greatest concern. Tomorrow, the focus shifts to Oklahoma, Kansas, and Missouri. Oklahoma, of course, your greatest day of concern will be tomorrow. I would not be surprised if this enhanced risk gets upgraded with time. Anyways, guys, that's all I have for now. Chris Sixon, InfoWeather Catholic Media.